Hello, viewers and crypto community. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, today I have brought an amazing and astonishing project for you. This platform is bringing amazing feature for you, and this is LFG, secure and fast crypto application that is bringing amazing feature. Here you can check that you can crypto trends and gains check, and here you can check easily manage your holdings and depth with Google Play and stay updated with live insights. So this LFG application is available in Google Play and it's also available on Apple Play Store. So you just need to download it and enjoy the amazing feature of LFG. Overflowing with noise and hype. Thesis.io cuts straight to what matters. This is AI Copilot for Web3 and DeFi. It is not just another search tool, it's your personal AI powered DeFi analyst working 24 by 7 to help you make smarter, faster, and more informed crypto decisions. Want to know if a meme coin is trending or trash? Need in depth token insights in seconds, not hours. Look to stay ahead of market movements. With Thesis, it's all just one search that you can check live coin market watch through your thesis.io. So this is very amazing. Here you can check the details, market prices, price hikes and price falls, and here you can check the charts. So dear viewers, here you can check LFG application is available on Google Play, secure and fast crypto. So after downloading the application, you will have to sign up your account by putting your Gmail and verification code. So here you can see that I have successfully made my account and I have already made login, and here you can check the user interface of LFG application. Very user friendly, very easy dashboard, and here you can check the market of cryptocurrencies. You can check the price chart, you can check the tokens, and you can check the meme coins. So next is AI palette, AI suggestion from thesis.io newest, and here you can check the different cryptocurrencies. You can check real-time data and you can check the prediction about this amazing platform, and here you can check, you can by using real-time data you can predict about the cryptocurrencies, and here you can see if you want to check about the any new listed coin. Here you can check, we are going to discuss it on based D house. Here you can check its price, and here you can see that it is also available on details are available on market cap, volume, 24-hour volume, and total supply. So dear friends, using AI suggestion from thesis.io, you can view the report of this coin. So this is the thesis.io report about the crypto token that we have selected. So its steps are different: detect trending meme tokens, and then step 2 is identify tokens already listed by LFG, and here you can check the details of all steps, and here next step will be the 3, analyze potential token candidates, and you can check details. So here you can also view the report in detail, and it will show all the details. You can check using tool called MCP, you can view. So here you can see that you can view report symbol and address of the token. Here you can check the creator, and here you can check the price change percentage, and here you can check the 1 month price percentage, holders, liquidity, market cap, and open time spent stamp, and here you can check the blue chip rate, buys, sells, volume, and burn status, burn ratio, top 10 holder rate. So next feature is prediction. If you want to make predict about any cryptocurrency, so you can use this thesis.io report and its real-time data. It will be very useful for you predict about the cryptocurrencies. So dear viewers, now I will explain how to use the prediction feature in LFG. First of all, you will open the app and tap on the prediction section, and then you will select token. Here you can see that I have selected Gorbanga, which is called Gor token. Now I will select the leverage and the amount. Here you can see that by changing leverage you can change the amount, trade amount. Here you can see that I have put leverage 25% and trade amount $1, and here you can see that now we will have to review the token report using the AI pilot, check market sentiment, trend and volume, and then we will have to select, choose a time frame, for example 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, how long your prediction will run. So after choosing a time frame, then we can select and we can review the token report using the AI pilot, and here you can see then we will have to enter the predict price direction. We will tap up if we expect the price to rise, or we will tap down if we expect it to fall. And here you can check that I have once again selected the prediction and then put my amount, and here you can see that by fulfilling these requirements which I already explained, you can successfully predict. So submit trade and watch it play out live on the dashboard, then you will view results. If your prediction is correct within the time frame, you earn leverage and profits. If not, the amount is lost. So this is the process you can make a successful trade prediction transaction, but you must have balance in your account. So here you can see the processing, and here you can see the how it operates. You will have to choose a token using, and then you will have to review the token report, then you will have to select leverage and putting the amount. Here once again you repeat and repeat, and you make multiple trade transactions, and you can get leverage, and you can predict price prediction, and you can submit trade and watch it play out live on the dashboard, and you can also view the results if your prediction is correct within the given time frame.